Welcome to the Skills in Action tutorial. This tutorial will provide an overview on how to navigate the course, choose content, interact with course material, earn completion badges, and request assistance as needed. To get started, let's look at how to navigate the course. Navigation is easy. The following basic functions are available on each screen: the navigation menu, the next and previous buttons, the media player controls, and the submit button. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find a navigation menu. The navigation menu contains a list of content that's available within each section of the course. By clicking on the arrows in the menu, you can expand or collapse the list of available content. By scrolling up or down, you can see all the Skills in Action content available. However, the navigation menu is locked until you complete the introduction. After this, the menu is unlocked and you can select the content you'd like to complete. On the bottom right-hand side of the screen, you'll find the next, previous, or submit buttons. These buttons are used to move forward or to return to a previous screen. During the course, if you're asked to continue or exit, use the button displayed to proceed. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the media player controls. The media player controls allow you to turn on or mute the narration, display closed captioning, monitor the timing and progress, and replay the content if needed. Next, let's take a look at how the course content is organized. All of the Skills in Action content focuses on developing important essential skills needed for working in the Canadian manufacturing sector. The content is focused on how work is performed in a manufacturing occupation. Course content uses realistic workplace examples and authentic workplace materials to develop and build skills in key areas such as reading, document use, numeracy, digital skills, and critical thinking. Course content is organized to facilitate learning. While some of the course content is mandatory, most of the content is flexible, so you'll be able to choose the content you'd like to complete. At all times, you have access to the Getting Ready course. Getting Ready includes a range of helpful strategies used to analyze tasks, analyze questions, make decisions, and improve confidence when completing a task or solving a problem. These strategies are referenced throughout all courses and will support your learning and successful completion. Before proceeding, you'll complete pre-assessments for all essential skills units. Your pre-assessment results will be used to recommend course content targeted to your learning needs. It is suggested that you complete all recommended content. While some essential skills content topic may vary slightly, most include 4 modules: an introduction, a lesson, a practice, and an assessment. The introduction module provides an overview of the skill covered, what you'll learn, and identifies the badges earned by successfully completing the topic assessment. You must view or listen to the introduction before accessing the other sections. The lesson module provides the knowledge, instructions, and examples of the content topic. The practice module provides an opportunity to try what you've just learned. You'll receive feedback on your performance while you're practicing. The assessment module is designed to see how well you can perform the skill. Each time you successfully complete an assessment module, you'll earn a badge. Badges are evidence that you are able to develop and apply your skills gained. To earn a badge, you must correctly answer at least 80% or more of the topic assessment questions. All badges that you earn are collected in the Skills in Action portal. Once you've completed an assigned content topic, you'll answer the post-assessment for the essential skill unit. Your post-assessment results can be used to demonstrate your skill development or to identify additional practice opportunities. Now, let's take a look at some of the ways you can interact with each topic. The main interactivities are text entry, selecting information, drag and drop, or choosing an answer. Text entry involves typing in your response in an empty box as prompted. You may be asked to enter text into a document seen on screen. Follow the instructions provided to enter the correct type of information, such as a letter, a number, single word, or sentence. In selecting information, you may be asked to select a word, a sentence, or a specific area of a document to identify, and submit your response. Drag and drop interactions involve selecting and moving your response to another location on the screen. It can also involve sorting, ranking, placing, or matching items. You may also be asked to choose your response from a list of several options. Examples of this include multiple choice, multiple responses, and true or false. These options include selecting a checkbox, clicking on a button, or choosing one or two answers from a list of possible responses. A calculator will be made available only when needed. In some cases, the calculator will automatically submit your response, and in other cases, you'll be required to enter your calculated response. If you require any assistance during the course, click on the Help button. This function will allow you to write and send a message to your coach to address your concerns. Now that you understand what to expect and how to navigate the Skills in Action course, let's get started.